I'm Angela. I'm the founder of Cult of Reason Skincare, and here you'll find videos to introduce the products and to give you tutorials for how to use the accessories. So my skin is clean now, and I have applied a little bit of Quench on top. Let that soak in for a second, and then I'm going to apply Shield. This is going to give glide to our gua sha stones. A little gua sha baggie and gua sha stones. And here is a quick eye depuffing sequence. We're going to start with a light pressure of the finger right in the inner corner, and with a very, very light touch, you're just placing this flat edge against the skin, so light. We're going to start at the inner corner and very lightly move across, up, and wiggle. I'm going to do this 5 times. I'm going to come to the top of the brow. Glide down the neck. Very lightly. So now I'm going to take this small end and I'm going to massage the notch that's up in the socket here. So if you press right up and through here, actually it's easiest when you do your thumb, you'll be able to just feel a little notch right in here. That's what we're aiming for. Be careful, you have an eyeball in your socket. So this is gonna be a very light touch, and you're gonna gradually just increase the pressure to what's comfortable. So I'm gonna take that corner and I'm just gonna lightly, small movements rock in here. And this is great for headaches, allergies, and then I'm going to press on the brow bone. And that pressure is it's not light, it's not heavy, it's just medium, but it feels so good to glide across the brow bone when you have a headache. So I'm going to come to the other side, I'm going to find that little notch in there. And just little rocking motions, being very mindful of how slick this is, and that I have an eyeball that I'd like to keep. And then glide across the brow bone. These tools are so versatile. You can use broad end, small end, side, hollow. Great for traveling. These travel so easily in the little bag, and you have a massage studio wherever you go with these. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy your Cult of Reason products. Gua sha stone. I'd love to get feedback from you. Please leave a comment. And if you have any questions or concerns, please always reach out to me. I'm Angela Huggins, and I am the creator of Cult of Reason Skincare. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your Cult of Reason products.